Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with a third stimulus check update video. In today's video, we're going to discuss the third stimulus check as well as the second and the first stimulus and how it affects your taxes. So if you received the wrong amount or if you just didn't receive your stimulus check at all, when can you get it, right? So if you want to know about stimulus and taxes, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, Donna, where have you been? Where have you been? Welcome. Hi. Hello. Hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we talk about shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below, and you're in just like that. Oh, that was so weak. And you're in just like that. Okay, I guess I'm done. All right. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like because I can't snap at this moment. I've done it too many times. So, while you're at it, get the ebook, get the planner. You know all right, you already know. And for those that are new here, normally I'm a lot nicer. All right, here. So let's go ahead and jump into it, guys. We know that the federal government has delivered us 2 stimulus checks with the possibility of a third stimulus check. And while many of Americans are awaiting the third stimulus, a lot of people are concerned, what does this mean for your taxes? How am I going to get my taxes? Or what role does the stimulus play in the taxes? And so for those that had a child that was born in 2020, maybe you received the wrong amount on your taxes or on your check, or maybe you just didn't get your check at all. That's what we're going to discuss here. So here's everything you need to know, all right? So first and foremost, is your stimulus check taxable? And the answer to that is no, my darling. Listen, Linda, no. Okay, as of right now, the IRS does not consider the stimulus checks to be earned income at all. So therefore, you don't have to pay on it. Now, the payment also will not reduce or increase the amount that you owe when you go to file your 2020-2021 tax as well. So a lot of people think, hey, is this going to factor in? Like, is this going to, bump me up into the next level? No, it won't increase or decrease that amount at all. So no problems there. Now, if you receive the wrong amount of money, what should you do? So the eligibility for the first stimulus check that we received for the $1,200, that was based on the 2018 and 2019 tax return year. Now, the $600 checks was supposed to be based solely on 2019. But some people, hey, it's a system, it's flawed. So some people received it. So if you receive the incorrect amount of money for your second stimulus check or even your first stimulus check, you're going to have to file that when you go ahead and do your taxes on there to get on you're going to claim your recovery rebate credit on there as well. Now, we know, and I've talked about this before, where the IRS did open the free file system. They will not start accepting payments until February 12th. But if you go ahead and put all your information in that system on there, then once they do open it, you're going to be one of the first people in line to get your tax returns processed. Also, a lot of people were asking, hey, well, what if I owe taxes? Are they going to take that money? So yeah, so if you owe just say $1,200 and you're entitled $1,200 on there, are they going to take it? As of right now, the way it stands as of today, yes, they will go ahead and take that money. But if something changes, I'll come back and update you with that information as well. Now, if you did not receive your stimulus check, what should you do? So for this second stimulus payment, we know that the IRS had until January 15th to get all the checks mailed out. And they also stated they give them until February 3rd. And that's kind of why they push back the tax season a little bit to ensure most people will receive their checks, their debit cards, their direct deposits to get some of those bank accounts rerouted. So that's why they push the time back a little bit on there. But they're stating, hey, if you didn't receive it, you're going to have to claim it. But also keep in mind, guys, college students and dependents over the age of 17, you won't receive the money, nor will immigrants who don't have a social security number. But if you are a college student and say you've been claiming yourself It's a little bit gray area there. When you go to file your taxes, the person should help you. And if you are entitled, you will be able to get that money as well. The Get My Payment portal is always open if you want to use that as well. Now, if you had a child in 2020, you will be able to claim that child and get the money on your tax returns as well. So I know a lot of people were like, hey, well, I had my baby in March. Yeah, so you will be entitled, girl, that $1,100. Kiss that little baby. Kiss it, kiss it, kiss it. All right. So on there, my income changed since my last filing tax year. Am I eligible for the stimulus money? So single people earning less than $75,000 and couples earning less than $150,000 combined were eligible to receive both stimulus payments. And we know that millions of Americans who lost their job or saw their income reduced as a result of the pandemic, meaning that individuals who didn't initially qualify to receive it based on their 2018 or 2019 tax returns, you may qualify now. So if you think that the IRS still owes you some money, make sure you let your tax preparer know this, and you can still include your recovery rebate as well. And they should be able to calculate how much you should be able to receive on the line 30 of your 2020 tax return, okay? So the IRS will go ahead and include that stimulus payment if, you know, something happened on there as well. So when can you expect to receive your taxes? So on there, the IRS right now is encouraging everyone, okay, to file your taxes electronically. Don't try to do that snail mail stuff. You've seen what happened. Your tax return was out in the trailers behind the department, right? So even though they have went through the trailers and opened the unprocessed mail, they are in the, I guess, like in the midst of processing your taxes right now for those that are still owed tax returns from 2019. But they're saying that as of right now for the refunds, even with being direct deposit, you're looking at 21 days. Let me say that again for my people in the back. Even in using direct deposit, okay, you're still looking at 21 days if you file electronically. So I'm telling you all this to say, okay, on there that when you go to file your taxes, it's not going to be back in those 7 to 10 days. If it is, great, right? But they're stating 21 days and we could possibly be processing a third stimulus check. So all that would be in there together. Now, also, some people were asking about SSI on there, like, hey, if I did not receive my stimulus check and I was not carried, but I don't file tax returns, the IRS is stating that you must use that free file system still for them to go ahead and be able to process your stimulus money as well. So if you're on SSI, SSDI, Railroad, VA recipients, you will still have to use that free file. So that's pretty much everything that I can think of regarding stimulus. Let me know. I mean, I know you guys always have questions. Ask them down below, and I will definitely try to research that information. But the main thing is, hey, if you haven't received your second stimulus check, give it a little bit of time, and hopefully you'll have it before February 12th. If you had the incorrect amount when you go to file your taxes, you should be able to get that money back, as well as if you had a child, you should be able to get that money back. And if you're on SSI, SSDI, and you don't file taxes, you will have to use that free file form to get your money. So I hope that answers a lot of your questions that you may have had regarding stimulus and taxes. If you have any more, submit down below. Submit to Ask Shalae. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and buy my ebook, buy my planner, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye, guys.